Alright, so in this video, I want to let you in on how I designed some of the recent thumbnails you see me use on this channel and in some of my other YouTube channels, like this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and a whole lot of others. Okay, so I did design them using the Canva app, and I'm going to show you how I do that with simple prompts, right? So I'm already on Canva, so this is the Canva. I'm going to go straight to, let's get to the beginning. Okay, so let me create another page under this one. All right, so what I will do, simply do, is to I have a thumbnail to design, and it has to do with TikTok ad payment, right? So I'm going to use a background. Let me get a background here that looks a bit like TikTok background. So yeah, something like this or this. I think this. Okay, all right. So the next thing I will do is to come here by the left angle, then I'll scroll down to where I'll find, can you see Magic Media? I click on it. Okay, Magic Media, that's the name. So here I'll paste my prompt. Okay, when I paste it, you'll see what the prompt says. Now this prompt says create a 3D design with the text pay with gray, right? It says make it large. Okay, a large font size. I'm correcting this. Legible. Let me use their recommendations. Okay, legible and bold in a plain background. So once I've pasted this prompt, I'll just hit enter, or I could just come down here and click on create image. So let's see what comes up. Just a moment. Now, do you see what he gave me here? Pay gray, pay. This is not exactly what I wanted, so I'm going to say recreate or regenerate. So I'll continue doing this until it gives me something that is close to. Now it's showing gray. That's basically because I think it's interpreting the word gray literally. So I think I need to do something here. Yeah, let me make the text colorful. Okay, so let's go again. Okay, so let's bring in this one and see what it looks like. I still don't like this, but it's a bit better. Let me see. I'll still adjust this. Let's say 2D, or let's remove the 3D entirely and hit enter. Let's see what it gives us now. So you keep tweaking the prompt, okay, until it gets you what exactly you want. Okay, now see, this one says pay with gray. Okay, I think this is good. Let me try one more time, but I can go ahead to use this anyway, but let's try one more time. This one says pay with gray. Let's see what it looks like. I'm trying to bring it in. Okay, I think I will go with this one. So the next thing I will do at this point in time, I will still stretch it, but I want to go to remove background. That's why I told it to give me a plain background. Okay, so I noted that in the prompt. So I want to remove this background. So the background is gone. Now the text is not too obvious. So what I will do is let me remove this. Okay, so you see, it's becoming better now. Pay with gray. Can you see? Then I will come here and I can put go and import a card, a gray card. Let me just, I downloaded one, so I'll go and bring it in at once just to upload image. Where is the image upload? Yeah, here. So I'll go here, I'll go to upload an image. But I would have preferred that is in 3D form. That's how I did most of those other ones. But due to time, I wouldn't keep us waiting. So you can go ahead and try it in your own Canva app, okay? Or the website. So I'll remove the background of this as well. I want to remove the background, and then I'll stretch it. Okay. So I've stretched it now. Okay, so all you need to do at this point, keep adjusting it until you get what you want. So I can go and get TikTok ad stuff, something like this. Probably I copy this one. I'll come here. Maybe I can paste that up here. Reduce those. TikTok ad, pay with gray. Okay. Okay. So you can just find an arrow and add. Maybe you can just come here. Okay, there's an arrow here. I can copy this one and then bring it down here. Okay. So just adjust it a bit and rotate it like this. Yeah. Okay. Now I can try to adjust the color of this background. Let's see. Let's make it this. No. This. Not too good. Okay, I think this is okay. Yeah, let's leave it at this. Okay, so that's how to create a simple thumbnail on Canva using a simple prompt. Okay, so you just use that magic media and paste in your prompt and allow it to get it generated, and then you can go ahead to use it. So I can save this and use as my thumbnail for the next video I want to do. Okay, I can as well add somebody's face here just to make it more attractive. Okay, so if you like this video, do subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and watch out for the next one.